Will now be recorded.
Okay, so first of all, let us understand the concept of EPPM, okay, Enterprise Portfolio and Project Management. And as you required to explain the basics, okay, what are the basic object and basic process of any project, I will explain that. And with reference to that, we will see how to perform these transactions in the system, okay. So here, as part of EPPM, we are having four major modules. Okay, first is a PS project system, which is the core module. Okay, where all my core modules are there, and I'm integrating my project system objects with other objects in SAP. Okay, apart from that, as part of this, we are having PPM portfolio and project management, which was the add-on before 1709 version of SAP. It was an add-on, but after that, it is a part of core SAP S4HANA system only. Similarly, we are having CPM, Commercial Project Management. This system is also was as an add-on before the version of 1709. After that, it became a part of core system as for HANA. Okay. Apart from that, we are having one more module called EPC, Enterprise Project Connection. As of now, this is an on-premises and part of cloud solution also, but after January 2026, it will be only available in cloud. So after that, we'll have three modules in SAP EPPM only. That is a core module. One is a PS. You can say IM also part of including the EPPM. That is the IM and PS, then PPM and then CPM. Okay. So how process executed in any project? To understand that, we need to understand the type of project. Okay. So here in all modules, you will see some objects which you can use again and again for different type of processes. Okay, for example, when you are in the PS, you can create a project. You are coming to the PPM, you can create item as a project. You can create a project in project management also. And apart from that, you are having again the same terminology, project, that master project in CPM. So sometime it confuses us that what is the reason, like why SAP is given all these different objects, the naming the project and the functionality is also somehow it's similar. Just when we are having project definition, we are having org structure, we are having the integration with other objects, so it looks similar. But when you are going for understanding the business process and then how it is going to be implemented, that you will understand that yes, we need it separated. Okay, we need somehow to be separated because the functionality wise it's different. Okay, so to reach on that point, we need to understand the available project type in SAP. Okay, so project type, basically SAP or in any typical project, we are having two categories of project. One is internally financed and another is externally financed. Internally financed, when we are executing project internally within organization. Okay, so where, let's say, take example, we are the company, let's say we are one IT company, and we need to set up one office in different location. Okay, you are in Paris, you want to settle another office is in Germany. Okay, so your company is same, but you just want to invest within the same company. Okay, so where you are doing investment, that this project comes under the internal finance project. So where you are going to finance this project. Okay, you are not asking to any customer to finance it. Internally finance, another project type, is where you are doing the expenses. That is a cost project. For example, that you are having one manufacturing plant. Okay, and this, to maintain this manufacturing plant, you are doing overhauling. Every year you are doing overhauling of all the equipments and machines. So whatever the expenses is coming to overhaul to that equipments and machines, that comes under the cost project. Okay, or let's say another example is R&D project, where you doesn't know that, you don't know whether this project will be successful or not. Okay, so if it is going to be fail, then total cost has to be settled into your cost account. Okay, so that is
Absolutely.
a cost object again, so that we call cost project. So internally finance project is having again two type. One is the investment project and another cost project or overhead project. And externally finance project, where the customer is financing this project, so where we do the project for my customers. Okay, we call it as a customer project. So when we are going to use these three modules, IMPS, PPM, and CPM, we need to keep in our mind that what type of project it is. Okay, because we need to segregate, we need to understand the how the process of individual project object is going to be used. It is going to be implemented. Okay, so investment project, here you can use investment management, that is the IM. Okay, to manage your last level of transactions you can use a project system, PS. Similarly, for investment project, to analyze whether this investment will be successful or what is the probability of successness of this project and what are the approach need to be followed to make it successful, here PPM will be used. Okay, where you can analyze the different factors, your KPIs, then based on that you can say yes, this project will be successful for me. So here in investment project we recommend to use PPM, IM, and PS. So sometime question comes whether we can use CPM for investment project or not. We can use, the answer is we can use, but all the functionalities of CPM cannot be used for investment project. Somehow partially we can use for some process, because few processes are very good in CPM side. Okay, that you can implement here. Similarly for overhead cost project, so overhead cost project, here cost, your expenses, your total amount which you are going to incur in the project, that will be settle into cost. Okay, that will be settle into your expense account. Okay, so in that case IM will not be in the picture, only project system, and along with that you can use controlling object like you can have cost center accounting. Okay, and you can implement this type of project. But PPM also can be implemented this type of project, where you are going to analyze whether this project is going to be successful or not. For example, you are having R&D projects, so for that you can analyze in advance, and then you can you can take a decision to implement it. And then next comes externally financed project, this one. So here it is a customer project where we are going to implement, we are going to work on project where this will be financed by the customer. Okay, so here the product or services you are going to provide to your customer. So here in this case CPM will be in picture, where you can use the all the functionalities of CPM. Okay, commercial project management. So the best example to implement commercial project management, that is the EC&O, engineering, construction, and operation. Okay, any question here?
Absolutely, absolutely clear. Um, my my question: can we use CPM as a standalone with a PS, or we need to implement also PPM? Can be CPM can be used
Standalone.
standalone. Okay.
So the answer is actually, I'll tell you, in PPM and CPM, in both the modules, we don't have any cost object. Cost object means we cannot post any cost and revenue in any of object of PPM and CPM. So you can
Yes.
do the planning, okay, but you will not be able to see the actuals until unless you are not using other integrated module. So if I take example of PPM, okay, portfolio and project management, this module is having two sub modules. One is a portfolio management, another is a project management.
Yes.
So, so in portfolio management, you can do the planning, you can create an initiative, you can create a bucket structure, you can create an item, you can do the initial planning. But when you want to see the actual, you need to integrate with the cost object. So this cost object can be your internal order or it can be something else. Okay, but something has to be there to just understand, to pose the cost. Okay, so here the best example, as you are part of EPPM, so EPPM gives a project system to just capture all the actual entries. Okay, then you can integrate that. So PS, I think it's supposed to be there if you are using PPM. Same way for CPM also. In CPM you can do the planning, you can see other details. Okay, but you want to see but in CPM we are having best part. For example, if you don't want to use PS directly, you can integrate with SD also, sales and distribution. So
Okay.
with reference to sales and distribution object, you can see the details. But in that case, You will not do actual in PS. Whatever transaction is happening in the SD, it will come back to CPM to showcase
Okay,
as a dashboard. Yeah,
it is clear.
clear.
It is clear. Yes.
So the answer is for CPM. CPM you can integrate to PS. You can integrate to SD also. Okay, it is not mandatory to integrate only with PS, but if you want to see details of your procurement side, if you want to see the details of your whatever actual cost is incurred in that project, in that case PS has to be there.
Okay, thank you. Just one question I'm wondering many times. For PPM and for CPM, when you do the global planning or the detailed planning, it depends where you are. It is in line with the planning you can do in a PS, or this is disconnected?
So here you can do the planning in PPM. Okay, detail planning will not be there in the PPM in standard system, but we are having some extended solution. For example, based on there is some consulting node provide SAP. Okay, so consulting node, let's say here you are having very it's not as of now in system PPM system the planning is not that much of elaborated. Okay, that is not that much of detailed.
Okay.
So SAP has provided a solution in a consulting node. Okay, so if you are implementing that consulting node, you can do the planning with reference to your cost element in detail. Okay, but for that we need to pay to SAP. Okay, this is chargeable that has to be billed. Okay.
Okay. It's very clear. Rabat. It's clear.
Okay. So next, let me go forward. Just I have taken one slide here to explain the project, program, and portfolio. Okay, so when we are going to understand the entire EPPM, okay, we can start to learn from PPM. Okay, because PPM is the module where we are going to define the strategies. Okay, we are going to take initiatives. Based on that only we are going to execute the project. Okay, whether it is a customer project or investment project, but to understand it is more clearly, let us take example of investment project. So any organization they are having strategies. Okay, they are having already vision and mission of the organization. Okay, they are having some plans. So whatever the plans, whatever the objectives they are having, they are going to execute. They are going to take it as an initiative. Okay, and then further that individual initiative is going to be executed once it is approved. Okay, so similarly just take an example here how it is going to happen. So here let's say if I take example of this Godrej Properties, this is a real estate and construction company in India. Okay, it's a huge company, it's a very big company and very good brand also in India. So Godrej Properties, okay, when they are going to start any project, okay, before that they need to analyze whether this project will be successful or whatever the approach we are following, will it be in favor of us to provide the expected profit or not? Okay, so many factors they are checking, then only they are going to start this project. Okay, so this part we can cover in the PPM, portfolio management. So here in portfolio management, individual similar project you can keep it one place. Okay, in one you can say one bucket. We are calling it as a programs. Okay, so here you can see programs, and further these programs will have multiple projects inside. So here individual project will be there. For example, if I take a case of real estate company, so real estate company it can have the different segregation buckets. For example, commercial project is one bucket, residential is one bucket, retail is one. Okay, so this kind of segregation we can keep, an individual project of let's say if it is a construction, a residential project or commercial, individual project we can keep inside of that bucket.
We are in portfolio here,
Yeah.
and or we are in portfolio and project management. At the if we speak of item
Mhm.
project item, we
Mhm.
are in a project management or we are in a portfolio at this stage?
Portfolio management. Portfolio management.
item is also belong to portfolio.
Portfolio management. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll just give you a glance on it, what exactly we are having in the portfolio and project management. Okay. Here I'll explain. EPPM. Actually, I had a slide exactly for same, but I think it's not included here. One second, let me check. No, it's not there. So EPPM is having PPM, then we are having CPM, then we are having PS. I would say IM and PS. PPM is having two. One is a portfolio management, and project management. Portfolio management, what objects are there? Let us see that. Okay, here in portfolio management, we are having portfolio definition. Okay, so which is basically umbrella of entire portfolio. Portfolio definition, we are having buckets, we are having initiatives, we are having items, we are having financial planning in bucket, initiative and items. Similarly, we are having capacity planning in all object, and then we are having review and what process.
Capacity planning for bucket, initiative, and an item also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the objects which we are having there. Collection is also there. So review and what process. So these are the major process which we are having in the portfolio management.
Okay.
Okay, and what we are having, process and object in project management. Here I'll mention we are having project. Project is having project definition. Okay, we are having phases. Phase, we are having task. Then we are having checklist. We are having subtask. Okay, these are the objects here. Here we are having planning, means role planning. We are having here cost planning. Okay, then we are having integration. We will say, okay, resource planning. Resource planning. We are having integration with PS and internal order. So these options we are having. CPM, we are having object and processes. First is a master project. Okay, we are having risk analysis or risk process. We are having review process, risk process or risk register. Okay, risk register. Okay, we are having financial planning. Okay, so here master project, risk register process, review process, all these things come under the workspace. Okay, this is the workspace.
Okay.
Workspace component, and here financial planning comes under the cost and revenue planning.
Master project is not exactly the same object as a project definition or something.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Hmm.
Financial planning having financial planning, and here you are having option of integration. Option of doing financial planning, we are having three options now in latest system. That is you can do with the IO, okay, analysis office AO. You can do with the Lumira, and you can do with that is a normal Fury. Okay, for a Fury layout you can do. These are the three options available. Okay, in financial planning we are having option to transfer cost from CPM to PS. Okay, we can, many other processes also there, but I'm just giving you some overview idea. Okay, then we are having uh, issue and change management. Okay, this is another component, issue and change management. So in CPM we are having three sub component. Okay, workspace is there, financial planning is there, and issue and change management is there. Okay, so issue and change management, that is the issue process, and change management process. These are the process. Okay, clear? Any question here?
No, it is clear.
So how this all integrated here, I'll give you idea. Okay, here you are having portfolio bucket. Okay, portfolio bucket, which is having, or you can say portfolio definition. This portfolio definition is having buckets. You can create initiative under the bucket. One initiative can have multiple items. Okay, generally what we are doing for items, we are doing financial planning and capacity planning, and then further this item is going to be transferred to PS project. You can transfer to PS project. So when you are transferring item to PS project, same time you can transfer item to CPM master project. This option we are having in, this option is available in 2023 onwards. SAP.
Okay, you can transfer both from PPM to CPM and from PPM to PS project the item.
Yes. So what, when you are pushing, that item can be transferred to PS project, item can be transferred to CPM project. Same time, this PS project will be assigned to CPM project automatically.
Okay.
Okay. And then when you are creating any PR or PO, PR, PO, that will be available here in the CPM in cross project view. Okay, you can see in the workspace. Okay, here we are calling it as a procurement view.
Replicate. You can see the information in a, you can see the information of PR and PO.
Yeah. And same time, when you are creating any sales order, inquiry, quotation with reference to this PS project, okay, SD, I'll say SD objects, and then automatically it will show you here in commercial workspace in CPM system. So this is an automatic system. Your reporting will happen in the CPM. You are performing your transaction in the individual object with reference to your PS project, but you can see all the details in the CPM project itself.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, clear. It is clear, Rama.
Yeah. So next, let me log into the system now. I'll show you some. Or if you have any specific question, please let me know. I'll just explain that one.
No. It is very clear, and this is a sum up of the principle, and it is very important to clarify that. Can I take the hand of the system?
Sorry?
can I show you my screen for the system or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to log in into the system or shall I log in?
No. I prefer to log in myself. I am already logged in.
Okay, you.
Vous avez you. I was deconnected.
I have taken the system.
No. I can take the system. I prefer.
Yeah, sure.
I prefer to connect myself.
Okay, you connect from your side.
Okay. Partager. I don't succeed to share my screen.
Okay, 1 second. Let me just give you authority. Now you can share.
Yes, I can share now. You show me?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, I don't know if I was. Okay. First of all, I would like to go here,
Yeah.
and I'm connected with RAM. It is you.
It's fine, no problem. It's just we are creating
Okay. No
internal
problem.
names. Yeah, we don't
Okay.
create with the exact name.
Okay. Just for the till, I would like to. Regarding my role, I have this role. Only this one.
Yeah.
If I want to create a PS project, can I do it here or not? I need some authorization.
Yeah. Go to project logistic control. PS
Okay.
project logistic control. Second one. Yeah. You
Ah,
can you can do it here.
okay. Project builder. I have project builder already.
Yeah, go to project builder. Let us create one project here.
Okay. So I can create my
Yeah.
own project.
Yeah.
Okay.
Create it.
Okay. And as I said, I would like to start by Y. This is
Mhm.
my this is my okay. My screen is not if I take G F.
Mhm.
No, it's okay. It's okay. This one. Okay. Okay, so I can create my own project, no problem for that. But I do not delete the existing one. Just
Yeah. You create new. You try to create now. Okay. We'll see if you are facing any issue.
okay. Usually when I create before. Oh, sorry. I can. I would like to create with a reference.
From the existing one you want to create.
Yes, I prefer.
So
Yes.
go to same button which you are pressing. Same button. Okay. Now go to new.
Yes.
Go to
Copy.
copy project.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So here you enter the start value of project. You want to start with Y, right?
Start value. Yes.
So enter Y dot. No, don't enter here. Start with Y. Y. Okay. Start with Y.
Y. What is Y?
XYZ. Yeah, Y dot. So already you can see some project is existing. If you want to copy the same or if you want to define your code, so Y dot, you put Y dot.
Yes, I know, but
No,
my
it's a comma. Y dot. Put Y dot. No, it's M.
I know, but my screen is not allow me to put the done. Okay.
Okay. So whatever is coming, let it come. Okay, just select last one. Last one. Select, and now go to find. You will see this last button, find. Okay. Now project is its system is proposing you to create y.002.
Yes, absolutely.
Right.
I can take
So
this number. I can take this
yeah,
number.
this number. Select OK.
Okay. Okay. So I will take IT project.
Yeah, IT project profile.
This one or this one or for
Yeah,
PPM.
anyone or standard project profile. First one,
Okay.
all working.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a project definition.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to save it here itself, you can save. So you will see two save button. One is a save, another is the intermediate save. Save. If you are saving, system will take you out from this transaction. Now you
Okay.
are coming out. Then again, click on this first line item in work list. You will see work list.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Yes.
Here.
Yes. So in that way, I can.
Okay, now you want to create WBS element. Right click here, go to create, go to WBS element. So if you are selecting include, in that case, you are copying from existing one. Okay. But if you are selecting create, then you can create your own WBS. Right click here, go to create first one,
Okay.
create WBS element. Now enter the description, press enter. Now enter the description. So in first here, you can enter the description.
Yes. So I say I say Fred first level first IT. I put nothing else. It's not very important at this stage. Billing, no, for nothing for the moment. Let's say like that. That assignment. Nothing is compulsory. Overhead. It is an overhead. So
That is already there. That is already there. So object class, all these details are coming from the project profile.
yes. Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. And for the plan, nothing special. So I can take another one.
Yeah.
This is at the 3 level. Okay. Okay. Fred IT level 3. Okay. And I take another one. Okay. If I want to make some posting, regarding FB01, can I?
Yeah, you can do. So first you release the project.
Yes, absolutely.
So go to the same transaction CJ20N, that is a project builder.
Yes, it is working.
Status release. It's okay. You do
No,
one.
I'm not in display mode.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is released here. Okay, so I said. Can I hide some tills easily?
Mhm.
It is possible for me to if I want to add some
You can add.
booking, FB, FB 660.
I think you are having a okay.
Ah, I can add. Okay. Okay. Usually, can I use the first 1710 is which one do you usually used?
1710.
Ah, okay. Okay. So I can do the booking.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. This is my first question. This is for WWS. I would like to to create a portfolio. No, portfolio. Sometimes there is a till portfolio. I do not want, I want only portfolio definition.
So portfolio definition, you go to the portfolio management,
Okay.
program management. Okay, so you want to see, in that case, you go to this project steering committee. Can you go in the project steering committee? Up, down. Program management or project steering committee, down. Or project management office. Go to project management office. Down. One more down.
Wait,
Yes.
yes.
Portfolio, right side you can see.
Okay. So here, can I create one?
Yeah. Go to create portfolio.
I don't see the menu.
Down in header. You can see just right side of export.
Create
Right.
portfolio. Okay.
Select portfolio type.
Okay, so I can use the first one.
Yeah. You can use ABC Company Limited.
Okay. Continue. Okay. Company Fred CEO. Trend. Oh my God, my dashboard is not for. I don't know how to. Trend companies. Do you know if I can switch very quickly from a dashboard or not?
Which dashboard you want to switch?
No, because when I put
Okay.
M,
You can switch IT. Now enter the ID. ID, right side you
okay,
can see
I don't care. Okay, so I can choose it.
yeah, Y, you enter something, Y Frat company.
Okay.
Save.
Classification. Can I do it?
Nothing, but after later you go. Go to
Okay.
save. Now go to the first home page. Go to click on SAP here. Now again go to same. Go to project management office. Go to portfolio first application. Then you want to switch. So here no need to switch. When you want to create a bucket only, then need to switch, right? So go back. Go back. Now go to buckets. Right side.
Can I see my portfolio? Yes.
You can see it is coming there.
Okay.
Go down, go down. It is increased way,
Okay.
Y frat company you can see.
Okay. This is active. Okay.
So if you want to create bucket directly, you can create from portfolio or through application, bucket
Okay.
application. Okay, so go to, you want to create bucket from here only.
Yes, we can.
So go to right side bucket. There is one more here.
Okay, great. Okay. It depends if it is linked to the umbrella or not.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so if it is, the first one is linked to the umbrella. The first one,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. Okay. Under portfolio definition. And the ID, I let the machine do it. Okay, I do not change the ID, or I can change also the ID. I can let
Yeah,
the numbering. But if I want, I can change it. Okay, but I'll do it. Field statute. Field statute, yes. Active. Start that. Okay. 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 Financial planning. Oh, I can see the date today. Today or 1st November. Annually. Is it okay, Rama? Annually is good. It's okay.
yeah.
Data set successfully. Okay. So if I want to if I want to put another bucket under this one, I can do it also.
Yes, you can.
Okay, so I will do quickly sub bucket, create bucket, select parent ready. Okay, add sub bucket. Save successfully. Okay, under the bucket, I can I can create an initiative.
Yeah.
Initiative. And the name, okay, the backend name, this is linked.
So this bucket, this portfolio type doesn't have initiative type. Okay. So that's why you can't create initiative here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll let you know which portfolio type you can use. Can you open that same screen again? Portfolio type. I'll let you know because I have already tested that process. Just follow because some participants also creating some test data, so sometimes they are removing it.
Okay, so I need to select bucket.
No, not exactly. Go back on initial. Okay, go and go to mm, do one thing. 1 second. Go to program management or portfolio management. Go to portfolio management.
Yes.
Okay, and here go to initiative. Okay, and here initiative, Godrej properties. So choose this portfolio, right? Portfolio already giving coming na Godrej property. Can you see in header portfolio Godrej properties EPPM training August 25? Up, up, little up, little up. So
Yeah.
here one line is
Yeah.
coming. So if you are switching to your portfolio type, you will
Yes.
not be able to see the initiative because you have not configured all the systems. So better to use the same portfolio, Godrej
Uh,
properties, EPPM training. You will find all the object. This process is running smoothly in system.
can I use this portfolio? Can I?
Yeah,
Can I?
yeah. Use this. Use this.
Okay, so I can add an initiative from this portfolio. No problem. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so I can create initiative from here,
yeah.
and
Go to right up. You can see create. Right, create.
I don't
Below,
see.
down. Right side. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Create initiative.
I cannot create an initiative from Fred portfolio. No.
Because the portfolio type which you have selected for that configuration is not done in system.
Okay. Okay. So can I? Okay. Can I create some item from my portfolio? Yes.
That need to be checked. I think you can check it in your portfolio whether it is option is coming here or there or not. That's not an issue. You can check. See, actually, better to go in the sequence. You just study this one till creation. Item we'll see in the next. Okay.
Okay. So I can create initiative.
Yeah, you can create initiative. Here, you first understand the entire cycle with reference to same portfolio type. Okay, then you can easily navigate with reference to your portfolio type.
Okay. So
Okay,
I can change the portfolio type in mine.
yeah, you can do
Okay. So
item type. You assign to item type to portfolio type. Check right below. Go to bucket items, only items. Go to item directly.
okay.
Item. Okay, here go to create item. You cannot create because see, you see item type. It is coming blank. It is coming empty. Item type. Okay, select bucket. Try to see if you are getting anything. Select bucket. Click on select bucket. Open it. Left side. Left side. Left side. There is a arrow. Red bucket one level under portfolio definition. That is coming now. Just click here. Go to select bucket. This arrow. Just open this hierarchy. Yeah. Select this one. Okay. So you are not see here. You can see item type. It's nothing is available. So this has to be configured in the system.
I cannot create item here.
No. So better you just do the practice with reference to what I have given. Okay. And we'll see this later. Okay. Next
Okay.
session, we'll see this issue.
Okay, so I can create another not with you, but by myself. I will create another portfolio with another type of
Yeah.
portfolio.
You use the same.
Which one do you address me?
Yeah. Yeah, same. Use the same portfolio type to create your portfolio and then proceed.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I will. Which type do you recommend me to be able to create initially?
Can you check mine? Uh,
Okay, I will check your.
EPPM training. Go to EPPM training. There is one portfolio is created for EPPM training. Go up. Up. Down. Down. Godrej Properties, EPPM training. Click here. Construction company. This is a construction company portfolio, my bandhu. Use this one.
Okay.
Okay, Fred. So you just carry on. If you have any question, you just let me know. Okay. I need to rush somewhere.
Okay, I have one more question, Rama, if you can. So I can create by myself the portfolio. I can
Yes.
create everything.
Yeah.
If I'm using another existing portfolio, I can add some item within this existing portfolio. Is it
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah. You can do it.
And I do, and if I add some customizing, not change the customizing existing, I can do it.
It's okay. Yeah, you can do.
And if I have one question or something blocking, if it is very blocking for me, I can send you a message.
Yeah. Put it me on WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you very much, Rama.
Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice Sunday. Thank you, and see you